guys, it's Andrea. I'm sorry this video is going up so late, but I actually wanted to grab these. These were at work, so I wanted to show you guys. I feel like since they're kind of like a new concept to the shop, that I wanted to show you guys kind of like how they work. So let's start with things that aren't collections, just because I feel like that kind of works the best. So I wanted to show you guys these really cute bow headers that I made. I think they're adorable. I'm coming out with 3 color / designs to start with. I kind of just wanted to test like a glitter, a pattern, and then like 2 different kinds of solids. So I figured I would just pop these into the shop this weekend. So I am in love with these. I think they're so cute. I wanted them to be kind of like dainty. So let me zoom you guys and you kind of get a little bit of a sneak peek of like how we're going to be doing our new sheets. Excuse my cuticles. I'm really working hard on trying to not pick at my nails. Like I'm really trying to challenge myself. So this is the same as like a normal header. So if you can see me when I'm putting these down, I'm lining it up like a normal header would, and the only part that kind of like sticks up a little is the top of the bow and then the bottom of the bow. I think it's like super cute and dainty. Jessica said that she might use one on her sidebar every once in a while, which I think would be really cute. So I decided to do 4 little designs to start, and I tried to put as many as the little bows as I could put on the sheet. So you have this one here, which is a gold. You have a marble, which is probably my favorite because I do marble in so many kits. And then you have a pink, which this is very close. I think it's a little like probably to the naked eye, not a different color, but it's like pretty close to the millennial pink that we used for our first $3 Thursday round. And then also a black, because I thought the black goes with so many things. So I think these are so cute, and I just love them so much, and I can't wait to see them in action. So there is that. Just to show you guys a little bit of an example of how they look. Very dainty, not anything crazy. Also wanted to show you guys the freebies that have been going out. You probably have received one of these if you've ordered recently. We are going to be switching them out soon. We've been trying to switch them out like every 3 to 4 weeks. Also this week we do have a journaling card, and this goes with one of the collections. So we'll be switching over to these journaling cards with the new releases. We'll probably switch back and forth after this week's new releases. We also do have a post-it and a notepad. So I use these in my pre-planning video. Like I use it right here. This is a notepad. So again, marble, we love marble over here. Has all the days of the week on here. Super cute. So there is that. And then I also have a sticky note that matches in a very similar design. Then we'll move on to the collections. I'll show you guys this one first. I unfortunately forgot to bring home the bows for this, but there will be bows for the weekend. There is an unlimited stock for the first 3 hours on new releases as always. So this is an ultimate exclusive. All of our reformats, I think, for mystery kits will be ultimate exclusives, just because the mini kit was exclusive for the mystery. So this one is called Once Upon a Time. I believe this was last June's mystery, I'm not sure. So I did include a freebie in here. I did include 2 full box girl options. I did change the coloring of this a little bit, as well as the design. So the front here, you have your newer freebie. I'm so excited for the new format though, guys. I'm thinking that it's gonna come out the last week of May or the first week of June. June mystery is in the new format, which you guys are gonna love. I just designed like 6 kits, I think, in the new format last night. So it's the way that I have it set up now. It's really gonna change the speed for me. So you have all your deco on top, and then you have your little scribblers on the bottom, some unreleased ones. You have one reading a book. You have another like reading someone a book, one with the glasses with the book, and then one holding a stack of books. I also have like I think 11 scribbler designs coming out soon. Then you have your functional page, which has your marble, which the marble does have like a little bit of a brown color to it, which I do really like. I think it kind of makes it a little bit more kind of go with the kit, because the kit is a lot of kind of like warmer tones. Then you have your half boxes with the marble, and then you have your patterned washi, your little things, your marble in the background of your check boxes. And then you have your full boxes here. You have like a double box kind of scene. These kind of go together as well. And you have some marble background. Just wanted to keep it really simple. And then you have the faux double bottom washi along with the date covers, and then your extra full box there. So this is Once Upon a Time. This one was very highly requested to come back, and it's just super dang cute. So that is Once Upon a Time. And you can also do the a la carte glitter, which is the same glitter as the top there, which is like kind of a like muted champagne color. Super, super cute. I know a lot of people like using this for baby related things. And there will also be an a la carte bow. But again, I totally forgot that again at work. So then the next one is a kit that we, I think we sneaked last week. And I did change the coloring of this from the original artist a little bit to bring out this like blue color more. So I'm really, really excited about it. And this is called Palm Springs. I think this, I keep telling everybody that I've showed this to, like Kirsten and Jessica. I was like, I think this would be the best kit for like the end of August going into September, because it's not like that bright like summer colors, but it's still like summery, if that makes any sense. So you do have your freebie here, and then on the bottom another unreleased but will be released soon little scribbler on her little flamingo floaty, and then also a little marble bow. You have your deco on the top. I again love these colors. In the background of the check boxes you have flowers to be able to see it better in the ombre or checklist, your half boxes, your patterned washi, your little things. I love the colors of this kit. And then you can kind of see those flowers a little bit better in there. I wanted to keep it kind of subtle, but just there. And then you have your full boxes. So you have like a double scene, the two girls here. Then you have some marble background flat lays, and then just some like water background ones, which these are just so cute. Putting this outfit together on this girl took me forever, but I think it was so worth it. And I also love the cacti. And then you have the faux double washi, double bottom washi again, which this one is so cute. I love the marble with like the leaves on it. And then you have the extra little box here with the little doggy sitting on the, like the pool chair. So that is the Palm Springs Ultimate Kit. And like I said, we do have it in limited stock for the first 3 hours. The bows are available all weekend, and then those come down so we can produce them. Oh my goodness, last week's Bloom bow sold so many. I was like, oh my goodness, guys. We are bow crazy. Freebie, full boxes, functional page, half box page, and then your bottom washi, which is so cute. Super cute for the Palm Springs mini kit. Then you also have the glitter sampler, which is so pretty. I love this blue and the green together. It's just like something beautiful. And then you have your personal washi, which I'm pretty sure we're discontinuing personal washi with the new format. And then also there is the bow add-on if you want to add that on, which is really cute. So that is Palm Springs. And then last but not least is an exclusive collection to our shop, so you won't see this art anywhere else. And it is called Jurassic. I'm a huge fan of Jurassic Park, guys. Like, really big. So this isn't going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I think for people who it is their cup of tea, y'all are gonna be excited. So this is the Jurassic collection, Jurassic Park, well, Jurassic World. I'm not like really into those, but I go see them anyways. But Jurassic World is coming out, and I wanted something to use in my planner to kind of celebrate it. But I kind of went, whenever I asked the artist to do this for me, Knishes, love her, I wanted to do something more kind of true to the like previous Jurassic Park. So let's just go ahead and flip through this. I did go ahead and put Chloe's on the bottom here just because I feel like they work the best, and this was even pre-bow, so this has been designed for months. Super cute. Let's give you a little close-up of that deco. I'm also obsessed with yellow recently, so this really works. I feel like I'm a little higher than normal. Like I'm used to being here, but for some reason I think my camera moved. Then you have your pattern washi, your little things, your ombre checklist, and then look at these full boxes. I love dinosaurs, they're so fun. And I love like this car. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use this thing. It's gonna be so fun. The faux double washi, the extra full box. I love the leaves. I love the little dinosaur footprints. I'm just like so over the moon about this. I have so many like exclusive collections. All of the collections, actually I think 2 of them are reformats, but I think, yeah, two of the collections that I did last night were reformats, so the rest of them are all exclusive, and you guys are gonna pee. There are so many good ones. It's ridiculous. I have, like, it's just, they're all so good. I have one more to do. So this is the mini kit. Again, super dang cute. I love this so much. I'm, like, so in love. I'm just so happy. Like, I love Jurassic Park so much. I've been loving being able to do more exclusive art. It was so hard last year because there wasn't that many artists doing like custom art, and I had to save most of it for a mystery. So now being able to do some like custom art for things that like I don't want to put in the mystery, obviously, because not everyone likes Jurassic Park. Well, it's not even that. I think everyone likes Jurassic Park. I mean, if you don't, You probably should rewatch it. But I don't think everyone wants to use it in their planner, but it's nice to be able to do this, and like everyone who does like it will be able to use it in their planner, which I don't know, it just makes me so happy. I feel like this year is such a good year. The reformat is going to literally blow everyone's mind. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so ready for you guys to see it. Again, this is old, so it has the skinny appointment labels, but this is really pretty colors too. And then you have the add-on bows, but I've been honestly so happy and just so like thrilled with the stuff that we're able to come out with, and just there's so much in the works that you guys don't even know about that's literally just gonna change everything. And it's all gonna come within the next couple of months. And I'm even planning something with someone for like August right now, August-ish, that you guys are gonna find out about, and it is just so good. But this is all coming to the shop on Friday at noon Eastern. Everything is unlimited stock. I mean, these are limited stock, but I ordered a bunch of them, so we should be good. But everything's in limited stock for the first 3 hours, and then I go and like send a print list to Kirsten of extra stuff we need, and then remove things that sold out that we need to make more of. So then what's left is what's left. And then the bows I do leave open for the whole weekend. They're just so dang cute, and you guys have been loving them. These will probably be a little fixture to the shop until I come up with more colors, just to see how you guys like these. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I really, really like them. They took me a while to kind of figure out how to make them look cute without being like too bulky, but super excited. I hope you guys like everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Tell me if you're excited and you're going to use this in June, because I am, and that'd be so fun if we like all used it. I don't know what foil I'm gonna use. I actually might not use foil, just because I think that you don't need foil. It's dinosaurs. Like, we're gonna make it the most beautiful thing in the whole world. But that's everything. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.